Hello, Nissan Skyline fans. This is the R32 Calsonic racing car here. And this is a Choro-Q in my hand of that car. But it's interesting. The lug nuts here look blue. That's the right side of the car. The left side is red. That makes sense. But then here, again, we have the left side is blue. So these are red, those are blue. Same side of the car. And then this one, they look black. So, I don't know. I'm assuming these two images are correct, but I really don't know. That was a mystery, that photograph. Anyways, I'm doing a wheel swap. That's why I'm bringing that up. But before that, let's look at this toy here. We got the standard 5-spokes here. And we got some tampo printing of the 12, the Calsonic Impul. Nice texture here, no extra paint though. The paint is just on the headlights there. Printing up here, a sticker here for Nissan there. Printing up on the roof. Printing here. Alright, separate wing I think. Yeah, and then exhaust tip and no paint in the back. So pretty plain Choro-Q here, number 21. How old is this thing? This is from 1990? Yeah, that says 90. I put a note on. I have a hard time distinguishing the R32 and the R33. They look quite similar to me. So you can see this one is just molded blue plastic. It's not a clear body painted blue. Oh, it actually popped apart pretty easily. So that's how they got the canopy done with the separate smoked piece. We're going to take this out and save that for a different one. And I guess we'll just pop in a different motor from a different older Choro-Q. And then I'm going to put this back together. Get my hand screwdriver here. Okay. So I 3D printed those wheels. No brakes though, just the wheels themselves. And I'm going to just put the blue on this side of the car because that's clearly in that photograph. And henceforth I will put the red on this side of the car. Truthfully, I think it would make sense the other way around. Red being R, maybe red should be right side. I don't know what blue would be, but maybe in Japanese the colors, I don't know what the color red is in Japanese, or blue even. Alright, well there we go. Alright, I actually do have a slightly better Calsonic of this body style, but it's a clear body. The headlights here are clear. So this was a clear body painted blue, and it's better. This one actually came out in the same year. So this is high grade, HG I'm assuming. But that also says HG, so I don't know what the deal is. I mean, they're the same year, but they're totally different. Right? That just has better printing on it all around. That's really strange to me. Maybe they were just originally cast in 1990, but this came out at a different time. I mean, yeah, alright, that literally says 1993 on it, but I like it. It has taillights printed on. It's definitely better. Okay, even better than that is this body here, which is all painted metallic green, and this is a real gimmick one. Says RG there, and that means the hood opens, and it's actually a 3-dimensional engine in there. Not that I really care about that too much. This has 3D printed wheels as well. Alright, that's it for the R32s, but I have a bunch of other Calsonics. So this is an R33, and so it's very similar looking to me. 3D printed wheels here. Clear body, and again, opening hood, I think. I can definitely see a hood gap. This one literally has a flat sticker. I don't want to break the hood, but it's just a flat sticker. It's not 3-dimensional. So this is a 1995. Maybe there was like a Calsonic set or something like that. Alright, and then here's an R34 Calsonic, and I have 3D printed wheels for this one. Yeah. And the last is an R34, but a different deformation. This is for the Super GT some sort of Super GT collection. This one is what? From 2005. Oh, what is this? 99, okay. So I guess they're all kind of old. I think I still like that. I like that one the most. It's just a cool metallic green. Alright, well, let's get this thing up here. So, this is a ResinWorks racing car driver. Yeah, this is definitely not the best Choro-Q. It's clearly inferior to all the other ones I showed, but yeah, I didn't pay too much for it, so I'm cool with it. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you in the next Calsonic related video.